I went to Lowe's and bought 4 2x8x10s, cut them to the length of my counter, and now I am sanding them down after I cut them. Next, I used some stain that I had left over and just stained them 1 coat. This is what they look like stained. Then I used the Wipe On Poly clear gloss and sealed them. Brought them up, put them on the counter, and this is what it looks like so far. It's not screwed in, it's just sitting on top of the counter. Went through a hassle trying to get this sink in place. Didn't think about taking the mold of the old countertop and use that same dimension for the sink, so it was a really long process to try and get this sink in. Once I screwed them in, I went through with the wood filler and filled in the gaps. Once the wood filler dried, I sanded it down and used 120 grit sandpaper. And this is what it looks like once I sanded. I stained again, and I used 2 more coats of the Wipe On Poly. And this is the final product. The sink's not bolted in yet, but I went through and caulked and pretty satisfied.